Hey cutie, what's up? Let's get cold. Go ahead and pick your favorite makeup products to go along with this video, as I am going to do the same for myself. Subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this viral cold girl makeup tutorial. Okay, so let's jump right in. The first thing that I did was go in with this from Makeup Revolution, and it is the Super Dewy Skin Elixir. And I use this product simply because I wanted that glow from within look, you know, as if we're outside and it's snowy and beautiful, and we're glowing and having a fabulous time in our winter wonderland. And then I went in with the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Radiant Sheer Foundation. This is a sheer coverage skin tint. Mine is in the shade C5. You can use your favorite foundation. It doesn't have to be sheer. You can do full coverage, but we're really going for the cold look as opposed to a flawless, everything covered in perfect look, if that makes any sense. So I just kind of wanted to blur out my skin, but not go over with the coverage. Just wanted something to make me look, you know, refreshed. Then I went in with a concealer that is my skin tone instead of doing some brightening like I normally do, which the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline in the shade 140 Honey. I am almost out and I cannot find it anywhere. I really need that shade. I went in with this just to get rid of dark circles, any sleepiness that was on my face. And next, to give my face some dimension and depth, I went in with my favorite drugstore bronzer, the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I just did some basic bronzing and shaping, like I said, to add shape to my face. Now, let's achieve this cold girl look. This is so funny that this is a trend. I am here for it. I am loving it. It gets cold where I live, so I'm all for it. I don't know about the people that live in like the hot states all year round, if y'all are doing this, but it's the cutest look and so simple. So let's get down to it. I am using a powder loose blush today. If you're using a cream bronzer, don't do this step. But since I'm using powder, I'm gonna go in with my favorite setting powder from Givenchy, the Prism Libre number 4. And I'm gonna take my Power Puff from Beauty Blender and just going to set my under eyes so that my powder blush goes on smoothly. I'm going to make sure I set it on my nose, just pretty much everywhere I'm putting this powder blush. And we can't forget to put it on our lids, because my mascara is on and I have some Eyelure Naked Lashes on. They're so light and wispy, but they're beautiful. Perfect for that everyday look. You see them? They're so pretty. But I do not have any eyeshadow on. Okay, so using a powder blush, please don't forget to set down your face with the powder. But once again, if you're using a cream blush, don't set your face because the powder may not work well with your cream product. Now, for the fun part, I'm gonna go in with this from Jaclyn Cosmetics. I actually found this at TJ Maxx and it was $7.99. Wow. This one is in the shade Love Language and it is a Luminous Rouge Blush. So it's illuminating and it is a loose powder. Looks like this. Look at that. And first, let's do the eyes. I'm literally gonna take the blush and just put it right here at my brow bone right here. And the key, honestly, is to not be precise. We are going for a very, I don't want to use the word natural, but for lack of better terms, a naturally cold look. This is really pigmented. Going up. I'm going up higher because I have hooded eyes. I'm just blending. Hey, Navi. Blending over here. I wanted to do this in natural light so that way you could see, like, we look cold, girl. We look cold. Check. Eyes done. So perfect. And that color, I love it. It's really good for an olive skin tone, like the cold look. And if you feel it's too pigmented or you put too much on, go back into your setting powder and just go over it and tap, and that'll really tone down the pigment or the color that you've applied. Now what you need to do is find a loose, fluffy, smaller blush brush. This is the Bling Brushes F5. Already used it for a trial run, don't worry. But with this same product, the Jaclyn Cosmetics Loose Blush. And what we're gonna do is we are dipping. You could just pick your favorite blush. And I would place. And as you place, just start blending over the bridge of the nose. Of course, it's very important for that cold look. And of course on the cheeks. Oh my gosh, I feel like I should be cold right now, but I am not. It's rather warm in here. Just making sure that we blend it. Fluffy brush so that way it spreads softer and it doesn't look harsh like a contour. We don't want anything sharp. Ooh, do I look cold? I just think it's really important that you hit that bridge of the nose and right here at the apples of your cheeks. This is illuminating blush. Once again, if you feel you have put too much, go in with your setting powder and just pat over it. And it's also, of course, gonna set it down. So I'm gonna do that really quickly just to show you. It's gonna calm things down and it's gonna make you look more flawless. See the difference? This is so much harder to do because I'm looking in the monitor and not a mirror, but it's okay. This is such a cute look. I cannot. How precious. Precious. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, trust me on this one, we're gonna go in with this brush again because we can't forget the lips. And just the upper and the lower. Now we're gonna go in little circles just above your lips and below. There, you can see it better how far down I went. Blend it. And now we're going for that chapped lip look, and you can see how easy that was to create. No precision to it. That's why I love this, because it's like just throw it on there. It's fine. We're cold. Did you mess up on your mic? No, I'm cold. There you go. So now we have like a chapped lip look. Once again, if you feel like you've gone too heavy, setting powder and just tap, which is also gonna dim it. It's gonna dim it down and just blur out the look a little bit. And go in with a pinkier lip liner, your favorite. This is from Huda Beauty, and it is the Lip Contour 2.0 in Vivid Pink. And I need a mirror for this. I am just going to line, but not as heavy as I normally do. So I've stayed on the top, the bottom, and now I'm just gonna take kind of a nudie pinky color. This is from NARS. I actually picked this up at TJ Maxx too. It is a lip crayon in the shade Biscuit. I don't know. Anyway. And then just ever so lightly. We don't want, I mean, you can do a big bold lip, but I cannot with how cute this look is. I literally look like I came from outside. It's precious. It is precious. Literally for like holiday photos or something outside, please do this. So cute. And just to look, you know, a little frostbitten. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter. You can totally be done at this point, but just because I'm making a video and I am extra, I'm going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury highlighter just to frost up my look. Oh my gosh, do I not look so cold? Cold girl makeup. Now, let's set this down using your favorite setting spray. Lock everything in. And there you have it, the cold girl makeup trend. So simple, so easy. Just pick your favorite products that you already have been using. I love this because you don't have to go out and buy a new tool or whatever. Just pick what you already have and follow these steps. So beginner friendly. And you look and feel cute as a little winter bunny. Thank you so much for watching. Stay cold. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.